Ye wa yiem. MPP for ye wa yiem. Or something say me Mtwaja adwo ye wa yiem wa.
Adeng.
They say ye wa yiem. Buo si esu buo.
Oh. Adeng.
Omo ano omo yonko. Ye wa be omo yonko omo twem sere ne abasa no. Anka papa 70 something years. Wo ko ni fie ko epanimu odi ba bi odwane akọ wodi nanim wo ho. Yade kakraka bi be bo no ewu amefa no. Mo mma ne mfo mo nsa so. Utie. Ano pekwa na mitie Paul. Me anu me ko.
Oyando.
Yeah, regional communications director na. So no no wofa. Na ye bisa de mo asam. Take care mo. Na mo sister station na okasa wo okay. Ene wo kire mo say enye car na first one omo chini kuma se de no koto sales de ne baaye no enye no ho asam na dade bi Paul na e kan wo se nkroma time dade bi enem se na adru say auctions or something enem say auction ye na mpacho ni die mu dade mi nim say trailer dade say cargo dade mi nim dade kro ai entimi nko ne bedroom ye ko bubu ni pa ne pon men ka say
abusuafo me mamu nyina mo akwaba ediba Ghana nsem TV so but more this be like video na be subscribe to the channel no turn on notifications say be next time videos of this nature ba also nsa ebitima kabi na also watch the wadwen or comment section wasa say the munim ne femi Mr. President na me wasa me besom na if by chance de me ye ofe na person boan which are through number na wase no adaroma nsabeka na news today so ya nyina akoso ni beso pa so now another day I came across a video and I'm watching on social media, and it took me barely 4 hours to watch the video over and over again. Now, me share video no. I decided me for free. Me say politicians are disappointed Ghana mabunu. They be me say when you earn the goodwill of the people and you fail to acknowledge the fact that you've won the goodwill of the people, as a result of that, you have to be so much principled with it, they will rebel at the right time. In Kadia Nebe, I will say, youth of it, like youth or mind bimu, I don't more rebel politicians, not of a sudden, their wishes and their demands or the thing that they dream that they come to reality are only things of disasters.
Ye wa yiem MPP for ye wa yiem or something say Mtwaja adwo ye wa yiem wa kasa
Adeng.
They say ye wa yiem buo si esu buo.
Oh. Adeng.
Omo ano omo yonko ye wa be omo yonko omo twem sere ne abasa no anka papa 70 something years wo ko ni fie ko epanimu odi ba bi odwane akọ wodi nanim wo ho yade kakraka bi be bo no ewu amefa no mo mma ne mfo mo nsa so utie ano pekwa na mitie Paul me anu me ko
Oyando.
yeah regional communications director na so no wofa na ye bisa de mo asam take care mo na mo sister station na okasa wo okay ene wo kire mo say enye car na first one omo chini kuma se de no koto sales de ne baaye no enye no ho asam na dade bi Paul na e kan wo se nkroma time dade bi enem se na adru say auctions or something enem say auction ye na mpacho ni di mu dade mi nim say trailer dade say cargo dade mi nim dade kro ai entimi nko no bedroom ye ko bubu ni pa ne pon men can say let me state this and make it clear say so obi edi bonne na mamra na ebo ye ho ban ne kwan so genuinely wo de to nsa frɛ nipa na lawyer fo ana sɛ wo kɔkye ni mu pa e ma na nyɛ sɛ otan a wo ni nipa no wo sagrante wo ne kɔ ye wo defeat wo na ne wanya na wo tua ne ka na saa nkomo we ne wo ho ye baban ne sesa dwuma e bedi mu no dwuma e bedi mu no ho asɛm ni so mo susu sa papa na ya na ne be condition dia ma no 65 million something. I stand to be corrected on the figure. Na
from official statement from Yoku and I say a poyando na neka.
I say on sana ofanti bi abusuafo no ko bi se mo asam no kanti. Ti na me kasa I stand to be corrected on it because na nche na Black Maria si form one twen me. Brani mu abegina akọ so na sa se bi wi wa yere me penche de makọ. Da bi. Na mum de tie ni. Aban de be sesa ho. omo di garu boto omo twu mu ne betene ye pe aban ebesesa na de ba ko that I'm happy with achichi Rambo star Yakobu bu obi dani aye ne se no hwe mesere omo kakra we nya chi asem na mo mesere omo kakra se ukọ obi fia wo so show warrant no mo ne ade and of course minim say bi omba ye but do tie girl ni interview girl a omo ko bu dan ni first na make wo tira ne no bi ko fatu na ko kasa pe nipa na die because of fees wo feel the ade akato anim bi a wo ba hwa ko ye nsem bebre aban na ba bedi political party na bedi aban ko wo ba ye no fit say won krata wo hwehwe mu initial na mo se ka bi ni ade a eno no ma ye ho adwuma dada but obi an sign whatever me kra omo ka se afa no me fit say na ye no a na no ma ba be fa no ye ma be condition kakra ka wanya adamu a na se bia nipa no wanyine wo bi fa sa ma me ka se achi kofi ofosu na papa yare pa ntem so sere omo se oni kurom kakra obom so mo hia no omra obayem se na nso se na anu na papa ne firi e bi otro bibi o Facebook a na wa tag ye
hwe kama okay
kama no si kakra okay e basa nipa ne bodi bi opopo di menka se ndisi aba hwe empathize with us there so msusu se e bia bibia akoso no mo yo modwuma kwampa so no mo di yo modwuma si aba chini pano na ye be ko ni fie ne sa ne ma na se nka ko fom kra kakra ye wa ha ni ko tutu bi mu fie cameras no mo ne ade ka ko fom kakra that dear se bow se bi mu se whatever paul se de paul e kan ye no kra dia intimi infam to them ye hwe me ye sure se na lawyer for be ba be kan numa se me ye den
actually ye hwe bibi se aban sisan bi aba ye hunu niam ahodo bi I remember mobile
and is it the best
somebody like Kwame Bafa Bronya Miamini Akitoa any Hobson as he saw join movement okwa mo fa so a na amanfo bi no mu cars any yejeje cars na sefo
eto mu na yejeje
enkrofo jeje mon party fo bi eduwurum ye ne mahodo bi onyi ni se ekwakwa trend bi a ade no se eye me na me wo ho na se omo me didi obi a enye hwe ba mi ni abam na se didi me di a eye bibi enye sana de na kwa sisi
omo ba ye so omo so ye bi asa nan na mi bisa se exactly mi bisa se de ye se no na enye dia se na so enye o
okay
se na nsa na na nya enne da ya ye ka se nye what man say enye ka sa jiji si eje ka me ka mfa ban hu se na baby kokora asembe ya dam si bo ese ne fo ade ko abetra kan wasam na kan wasam da sam ran taking tina wa no mo we minim so mo ga na hampo na ye wo mantie titiru like amina kintina wa e wo kuro imu eti sen rich na nya ene so nye I am sure some of be omo abem ya actually pass yet they are happy but power ni position
yes
a transient
it does
eja with the blink of an eye like this
it
can be taken away from you at any given time
okay
and when the same thing is being melted at you are will you be happy that's the question we see bisa omo famra na lawyer for no mbetena ase sika no mo di ato ne tiri so no se na omo timi di ano omo di ano no mbo jana na be fia no so omo anya no so omo na be da ho na de ebesi ne si a entuma bi yesesa asa waje wani so ye metimi aka na ana we no so omo be fama ko we ni
am grid co director na a cock and bull story, another fake, another small screen, another azan cosmetics, just to cover up the actual issue. What is Gridco's issue with Kanani Edumsono? Because Gridco generates VRA and a generative. If you have an issue with Gridco, a generation, why are you attacking? Why are you sacking the Gridco boss? Why are you sacking the Gridco boss? Another fake move. Another fake move. Oh, sacking Gridco boss. Senseless. For what? Gridco generative. VRA for a generative. Now, the Kanya Nama Gridco, who is the middleman between the VRA and the ECG. Because ECG for the distributed Kanya Nama by a fee any day. Into a moment lines, na dada. Gridco for in charge of transmission lines. Lines are no. Normally, about the ECG. And the entire Labour President Kufuor Abaso was who young something or T Gridco. Because first, na pressure ni go VRA any ECG. No mo hunu adwuma ne so. And no me yes okay. Yen fa Gridco no be share anymore. So that ECG for san how mo ho say ye ko manage distribution, we asan ba manage transmission. And ye yi say adwuma ne de ma a friend say Gridco. And Gridco buy Under President Kufuor, even under Professor Mills, Gridco was one of the most successful government institutions. And no Mondeka, very well run. That is why I'm not buying this. I'm buying cock and bull story. Say Asaki Gridco boss. They just want to get a sacrificial lamb. No more sacrifice the papa no. Many papa can be fighting back, but why wouldn't Ghana government? We are so fighting back. Be passing because that's at also. Near my Yoko for Abe Jojo every day. Be a Yoko every just to disgrace you. And don't forget your mom. But the issue of sacking a Gridco boss near a cock and bull story. A Gridco is not responsible for this boom so. The issue is between VR reform and generating. We have generational issues. Yesika and soon we have generational issues. We have not invested properly in the first generation, and we have not managed the generation capacity. The issues about generation capacity I am managing over the years. From time I'm a journalist the issue of Ghana electricity has been generational capacity and distribution efficiency. ECG for I know you're not make say ECG issue does not affect doom so. Omo can ya no ne omo maintenance. One name data no ho no ma say ECG for cables no far your data from 1960s. And at the time under President Kufuor and Professor Mills, they tried to change some of the cables. So they've changed to abai biaba na kwa investment to change data no to change my transmission lines they friends saying distribution lines. You don't go and sack the boss. You don't go and sack the boss on no way. You change the lines now better, you know. You change the lines now better, you know. It is how cock and boost oil, yeah, Yentie, because you na make us ye need that. Or more me and Colano be fast and ye
I don't blame her, I blame the NDC in Kwasia for. NDC in penny form of Jimmy. NDC in penny form Muni Munyansa. You are the ones I blame. Now NDC in tears as a Munya special. I'll be honest here. I'm a family one example. Say, and penny for be. Me friend one monfano. Me here with you. And I miss you. Many about and I miss you. Me kase mini aba because me mame firstborn. I was 54 years. Or no ye pay. It's one year mini aba penny. 2 years ago, na ye campaign, na me no kasa. Me try interview how, mami. Me try interview. Me no na me ne won tem ye fine. Me ba Ghana na ye shia kama me ni nkoto be shia kama ye shia wo ye bisa sika ye bisa ka pre. Ma this ready a me de to wanim na ye ba ko pe. Ene say enye me last born. Ye last born. Minua ba ketua odi machi oko private nursing owie school na adwuma ba ye problem enti se mubetimi aboa no na in case e bia mo fa nurses na se mubetimi di ni din ahim amamia eno pene ma de sre dia me de to wanim manka se me hia post to be manka se me pe abochire bi akọ eno pe ene ma de sre die me de to ma me wanim. If you ho me free Ghana eba ha me free wo a wo fa bi me send no message you don't even read me nim se me free wo asem bi o wadwen ye o se me be sre me wan so me sre skada me NDC ni bi e di ko amatwefo na afre no ebisa ne sikada. Nobody me can come out and say chairman frame me na o se ohia boa ohia ska. Nobody not even my senior Kevin Taylor. I'm saying it again. Me see nobody, not even my senior Kevin Taylor. So Kevin Taylor achema dieda, which of course achema dieda. Eye onua kasama kumemu. Ena odi chair me mansre no. Me nya sesrefo. Enti ye frem mu na se mo mfa. E mama dwen nya mo say ye frem mu say ye hia bibi o. Fefe na efe. Se me no ntembe kama. Fefe na efe say na ye adwumaden. Enya ye nko social media for mainstream media for Ghana for the youth devoted themselves and their time. Eye adwumade boa NDC and esa youth no e dia ade na omonsa aka. What have they gotten? Nothing. Can't promise any NDC member say meboa me campaign and as me kasa dia boa NDC. I can't promise. NDC mean to me because of musubai. With musem what thing, with trim what thing, why say chin say barre. mo de credo ato panty mu no problem me ma no so boxer credo kotokuro pa de dem mo de mo ntena se na mutiri mu nya den na mo no matamfo na omo a Addo NDC mo nto ye ntwene ohene baba mo ba ni na anu ya ba ye video ka se sese ye fremo kura mo mfa biem Nurudi na bas mo nyina na ye ne moa na ekọ na eba o ene
adwini future obetimi ko gina adokro ne nkyinam so to waba ade
ba se o nyame kwan na ode ato ho no se wo so ye sofo na wo beka no kura kire Ghana fo na nyame kwan tuodo no eda ho asofo esese muhunu no kura wei na mo kan na wo de ba be ye wo de be wada because wa ka se president ma ye wadamfo wo ye obi a wo ne no country musam ni